we promised that we're going to get you up close and personal with the stars, and that's exactly what we managed to do with Aamir Khan's latest leading lady, Aasin. In fact, we managed to spend the whole day with her and got a lot of dough on Aamir, Salman and a lot more.
It's not every day that you get to spend the day with a Bollywood star on her way to superstardom. But that's exactly what we got to do with Aasin, Aamir Khan's latest leading lady, even as she was in the middle of frantic promotional activities for Ghajini. What's the one question that you're absolutely fed up of people asking you already?
Already? A whole lot of questions.
Yeah, like what?
Like obviously they have to ask me that, but you know, the general stuff like, so how is it working with Aamir Khan?
Okay, since you brought it up, how is it working?
Yeah, there you go again. Oh God, this is like the
Come on, I have to ask.
1018th time I'm saying this.
See, that was my way of tricking you into it.
Yeah.
So how has it been? Yeah.
Good fun, because it's definitely a dream come true, working with somebody like Aamir Khan in your first Hindi film. And he's very supportive, very helpful as a co-actor, and very simple person, as a person. So it's easy to work with him. There's a comfort level there. He doesn't have any starry airs. So it's good, yeah.
Okay, a very politically correct answer.
No, it's actually
get
true.
all the juice later.
No, that's actually true. Because, all that, whatever build-up there is about him being strict and tough, and on sets he's like this taskmaster. And horror stories.
Because ultimately it's
it is made out to be like horror story types, which isn't the case.
Okay.
He's actually a very sweet person. I feel very bad when people say that, you know. So sad, because he's actually a very, very sweet and simple person.
Well, we're going to find out a lot more about Aamir and Salman and all the other superstars a little bit later, because we've reached the venue of the second interview.
Yeah.
So, let's get going. Well, we're back in the car again, and I am absolutely exhausted from watching you do so many interviews. You poor thing, you didn't even manage to have lunch. There were cameras while you were having lunch.
Yeah, well, we managed to do one more interview during lunch. So they wanted a special where, you know, you're having lunch and describing about what you're having and stuff like that. So, okay, chalo.
But doesn't that feel weird when you can't even have an unexamined lunch?
Well, I guess it's part of the job. So, yeah, you're used to it.
When perhaps you're old and you're telling your grandchildren about Ghajini, you know, what is the one thing that you will
Not
tell
so
them
much of a fast forward right now. Well, I'll have to figure out. What is the Ghajini moment?
Yeah, like something that you know will always stick in your head about it. I'm sure there's so many things, but anything in particular?
I don't know anything in particular, but the whole experience of working with somebody that you grew up admiring, and as I said, you know, in school dancing to his songs of Lagan and Dil Chahta Hai. So, yeah, that's been pretty good. I don't know whether I can tell my grandchildren about it.